How to fix try again later we restrict certain activity to protect our community problem on Instagram. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can actually fix this. So as you can see on my screen right now, that's essentially what the problem is that you might be getting. So I'll show you guys a solution in this video. So first off, you're going to want to go ahead and screenshot the actual problem or the actual error code. Now, once you go ahead and do that, head over to your account. And then from here, go ahead and click the three lines at the top right hand corner, and then go ahead and click settings and privacy. Now from here, go ahead and make your way all the way down until you head over to the help and support section or more info and support section. Now go ahead and click on help. Now once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and click on report a problem, and it's going to ask you to shake your phone. You actually have the option to shake your phone or just click the button that says report problem without shaking. Now once you go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you to include the complete logs or diagnostics. Just go ahead and include and continue here. And then after that, you're going to want to actually go ahead and briefly explain what's happening. Just say that my account has the fixed or has the try again we restrict certain activity problem. Just say that, and then basically you're going to want to go ahead and attach the actual photo of the actual problem here. And then after that, you're now going to want to go ahead and send this ticket to Instagram. Now, this is a common problem with mainly bigger accounts. You might have a smaller account and you may come across this problem as well. So just basically sending this ticket will go ahead and solve all of your issues, because Instagram does take a look at this and they will go ahead and diagnose any of the problems that you're currently having with your actual Instagram account. So with that being said, that's essentially the solution of today's video. And if you did find it helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys until next time.